Machine code is the lowest level of programming, that is, the closest code to machine hardware, because it is written directly in binary. Machine code is also called object code, and it's the first way humans programmed computers. It is basically instructions written in binary in a specific format and order. Computers can only read and process binary code. Binary code is all ones and zeros. Any digit can be just 1 or 0. A binary digit is called bit. When a programmer develops a program, he or she writes a set of logical instructions based on programming language that he or she uses. A program is a set of instructions to the computer. Different programming languages manipulate data differently. However, all programs are turned into codes that a computer can read and execute. There are two basic types of information on binary code: instructions and data. Instructions are such operations like adding, subtracting, writing or reading, and some other computations that tell the computer what to do. Data, in the other hand, is a representation of values of any form, like numbers, letters, and any other on which operations are performed. For instance, to read data on computer's memory, the program would specify read as the instruction parameter, and the name of this data as the data parameter. Everything can be represented in binary code: letters of the alphabet, images, documents, and files of different formats. What makes them different is the amount of zeros and ones, which depends on the type of file and the way the bits are arranged to tell the computer what type of file it is. A program is in charge of creating files and recognize their type. We use different programs to open a different type of file. Just when, like, music is read by a music player and text by a text editor. Then music player interprets the binary code and translates it to music in the loudspeaker. Same as text editor turns the binary code into letters on screen. Some bits in these files help also to tell which type of file they are. Like when we see file extensions in computer folders, text files are finished with .txt or music with .mp3. To give a real example, the letters of the alphabet, numbers, and some written characters are expressed by the ASCII code, so a binary number of 8 bits represents a letter or maybe a special sign or number. Now think for a minute in a picture file. As you might know, picture files occupy more space than text files. While both represent shapes on the screen when opened by a program, pictures are complex patterns of colors and shape. So many pixels are to be set on a particular color to produce a picture on the screen. That's why they have larger sizes than other files. In the cartoon here, we see a picture icon and a larger set of bits than in the other images. That is because all of the pixels that have to be set to draw the picture on the screen. Also have a look on the different colors of the first group of bits. As I told you, the binary code of files have some bit patterns in some position that tell the computer what type of file it is.